Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer your Stellar tokens from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Stellar on Gemini and want to move it to a more decentralized option like Coinbase Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Coinbase Wallet. Log into your Gemini account and head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. Find your Stellar XLM balance. That's the one we're working with. Once you've selected Stellar, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the destination address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the Stellar address. It's super important to get this right. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer and check any network fees. Gemini might use the Stellar network, so keep an eye on those transaction costs to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're good, go ahead and approve the transaction. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Now, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh. You should see your Stellar tokens there. Pro tip: always verify the first transfer with a small amount to test the waters. And if you run into any issues, check the support pages for both platforms. There you have it, folks, a seamless transfer in 2025. Managing your crypto doesn't have to be complicated. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.